Co-office District Sports Officer kari Bhoi District kalayo ban Sdang Biang kalumpung ile akai sports jong school befer jong kathemri Bhoi District yakabla tip kum ka district level inter-school athletic meet 2022 barkane ka long Hadien Snem bala hawan pinsange no namar ka jingling shop ka khlam COVID-19 yakane kalumpung ile akai sport jong school befer lawan ban play per daru Deputy Commissioner Arpit Upadhyaya haga jedon langru Superintendent of Police Ugiri Prasad District Sports Officer uba Bobby L Nongbet uba RB Shadab President ka RBDSA barkiwe la sakhi ru bahakani kalumpung ile akai sports lawan management benta dak bashir ham hadu arpo artli school na kaleng ka district ki banya khuna ki kadan ile akai befer
And I would like to express my heartiest congratulations to Bhoi district and mostly to the sportspersons of Bhoi for achieving the best position in the district in the whole state. And I think a lot of credit goes to Bhoi also for his continuous zeal, his enthusiasm in organizing events like this. So for past 2 years, because of pandemic, we were not able to organize athletics meets, but finally we are having it now, and despite rains and all, we will still continue with this thing. So this shows the amount of excitement that we have, all of us, and the kind of participation we are having here today. So this fills my heart with a lot of joy, being the Deputy Commissioner here. See, I would like to first tell about, just express my feeling that it is not the importance of sports meets like this. It is from events like this that we are able to find out young budding talents, and these young college students, school students can be nurtured after some time to attain better quality in sports, to emerge as a sports person from this level only.